हाय गाइस, सो मेरा नाम है दिलप्रीत कौर एंड आप लोगों का स्वागत है मेरे चैनल के ऊपर। सो गाइस, दिस इज होम अलोन व्लॉग पार्ट 2 एंड आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो लेकर आई हूँ। लाइक आई हैव फ्यू बॉक्सेस to unbox, like the PR packages. So let me just show you. So guys, I have these boxes and I have few more boxes जो मैं खोल चुकी हूँ and I'm just gonna show you the products क्योंकि ये 3 boxes बाकी रह गए थे खोलने, बाकी तो रहा नहीं गया, तो I'll just show you all. I just finished my fan game quiz. To check out the application and earn cash rewards, please check out the link in the description box. सो गाइस, पहला बॉक्स ये रहा। ये बेसिकली मुझे मिला है सिमसिम से एंड इसमें मेरे पास आया है बॉडी लोशन एंड ये रही प्रोडक्ट। सो गाइस, ये टू कॉम्बो पैक है मेरे पास जो बॉडी लोशन का आया है एंड आई हैवंट ट्राइड देम येट. As per them, they say that it is enriched with cocoa and shea butter and for all skin types and nourishes and protects dry skin. So I'll just have to give it a try and then I can give you a review, but I'm just unboxing, so I thought I should show you all. So this is one box. Let's head on to our another box. गाइस, बॉक्सेस को मैंने पहले अच्छे से सैनिटाइज कर लिया था, उसके बाद ही मतलब आई थिंक ये 2 दिन बाहर ही मतलब एक साइड में पड़े रहे, उसके बाद में मैंने इन्हें लिया है। अब दूसरे बॉक्स में जो हमारे पास में आया है, एक्चुअली क्या होता है ना कि PR पैकेजेस में समटाइम्स यू नॉट अवेयर ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट, सो इट्स वेरी इम्प्रॉम्प्टू. सो इट इज़ ग्लोबस नेचुरल्स अगेन अ बॉडी लोशन. इट्स एन आमंड बॉडी लोशन, एज यू कैन सी हियर. ये आमंड बॉडी लोशन है and it is also enriched with aloe vera and the bottle is really cute, good with this, comes with this, so I'll try this as well. Okay, let's head on to our third product, third PR package guys. Open. इसमें क्या हो सकता है, गेस करो क्या हो सकता है इसमें. This is something interesting. I mean, what is it? Okay. Oh, okay. So these are detoxifying salt with different flavors, as you can see. So it's like it is, I think, used for bathing. Yeah, skin of your hands and feet go through regular for rejuvenative experience. Okay, so if you know about the bathing salts and also these are one of those. And इसमें से एक तो मुझे खोलना पड़ेगा. One is rose and one is lavender. Let's go for lavender. I'm just gonna open this lavender one and I'm just gonna see how it is because I love lavender. मुझे ऐसे ही खुशबू आने लग गई, पता है. ओ, ये तो कितना भरा हुआ है, एकदम भरा हुआ है गाइस. सी, नाइस ना. एंड इट स्मेल्स सो गुड. ओ माय गॉड, दैट्स सो गुड. अब मैं मैनी पेडी करूंगी. आई विल डू मैनीक्योर एंड पेडिक्योर यूजिंग दिस डिटॉक्सिफाइंग सॉल्ट. सो गाइस, ये तो मैंने किया आप लोगों के सामने अनबॉक्सिंग. अब जो मैं ऑलरेडी ओपन कर चुकी हूँ बॉक्सेस, आई थिंक इट्स टाइम फॉर मी टू शो यू ऑल दोज प्रोडक्ट्स. तो गाइस, नेक्स्ट जो मेरे पास प्रोडक्ट्स पड़े हैं वो हैं कुछ जानी मानी ब्रांड के, जैसे कि वाओ के. ये अनियन ऑयल है एंड दिस इज़ द फोमिंग फेस वॉश फ्रॉम वाओ. comes with a brush, as you all know, and my roommate is also using these products since some time now and she found out that these products are really good. Onion oil, black seed and apple cider vinegar foaming face wash. एक्चुअली ये जो ब्रिसल्स होते हैं, जो ब्रशेज़ होते हैं, इससे आपका ब्लड मूवमेंट या ब्लड फ्लो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा रहता है आपके फेस पे. तो दीज आर रियली गुड इन्वेस्टमेंट सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग्स. And along with this, she got this for free just for purchasing these 2 products. This product came for free and this one also comes with you can say this thing, as you can see. It's so soft. It's really soft. These are the face like skin and hair care products that recently we got. Also along with Wow, we got this body lotion. So this is a deep hydration lotion, and with shea butter and cocoa butter moisturizing. So along with these three products, as in the face wash, the oil, and the lotion, we have got this free. Isn't it interesting? So guys, this is not at all a sponsored video, but just sharing a basic unboxing video with you all today. And there's another comb. So this is a wooden comb, and this comb has, you know, neem ingredients, so you can say neem के तत्व हैं इसमें. And still from far away I can smell the wood and the, you know, neem essence from it. And this also is kind of a brush, as in I mean, that will help your blood circulation on your scalp. And I would actually suggest you guys to switch from your normal combs to wooden combs, as this really helps in your blood circulation, in your hair growth naturally. So जितनी चीज़ें naturally हो सकती है, we should definitely go for them. And another one is a wooden brush we got, toothbrush it is, as in like that is also an eco-friendly product. So yeah guys, this was all of the unboxing, and I have more. Wait. So guys, the another product that I received is something very different. So these are the sachets from Godrej Nupur. So these are like natural henna based hair color, and मतलब मेहंदी sort of thing ही हुआ ये. So I have got natural black color in that, and like 2 sachets of that. And then we have natural brown color, and again 2 sachets for that. As you can see, it's by Godrej. So I have to create videos for the same, and I have to review them as well. So these are my another products that I got from Godrej, and yeah, here it goes. And most importantly, few days back I received a certification in which, you know, I was nominated for being the best fashion influencer. So it states that it was a special reward for outstanding achievement in fashion category, and it is by Global India Business Forum, and I received the certificate of nomination. And it's okay if I didn't win, but it was really a great opportunity receiving the certificate from them, and it is for the year 2021. So guys, last but not the least, I received 24 lip color shades from the brand called NYN, and there are few of the collaborations. जिसमें क्या होता है कि you don't have to post everything on your Instagram, but you have to just give it for the brand. And there are so many other collaborations that goes like this only. So they don't even make out their way, you know, to our Instagram or to our any other social platform. So these are 24 shades. Actually, I've taken them out of the box, so they are so messy right now, as you can see. So here it is. It's okay. So here are all the 24 shades, my friends. Also, if you want to know anything related to fashion collaborations, related to collaborations according to your field, how to approach and how to work with brands, how to make content, anything of that sort, you guys can just put it in the comment section below, and I will definitely help you out with that. If you want any help related to brand collaborations, like from where you can get the collaborations, how to do it, and how to create, you know, your audience, or anything related to your influencing, you can say anything related to your content creation, you guys can definitely reach out to me by my comments, and I'll definitely wait for your comments. And yeah guys, let me just show you around the mess, right? So guys, these are the lip colors as we talked about. Nupur, we have this, then we have this, that's my old comb, and then we have these products, we have salts, we have brush, we have these products, and it's a mess. So guys, I think that is it for today's video related to unboxing. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on my Instagram, which is style.mantra. You can find it in the description box, and it will be really great to connect with you all. And also guys, जब मैंने ये वीडियो स्टार्ट किया उससे पहले मैंने मेरा एक फ़ैन गेम पे क्विज़ ख़त्म किया है. So the quiz is basically, you know, you have to come live on the platform. There will be hosts conducting the shows. So I'm one of the hosts that hosts the show. So you guys can join our show, and then you can, win cash prizes after playing the games. And also the questions are really really easy. To just check out the app, you can check out the link in the description box. You can just tap on it, you can download, and you can see. You will also be getting a like sign up bonus. And using the sign up bonus, you guys can at least play one quiz and then check it out, check the app, like how it is and how it works for you, and win cash prizes, real cash prizes. And yeah, what are you waiting for? So just go subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on my Instagram, and you can download the Fangame Pro app now. So yeah guys, that is it for today. I'll see you in my other videos. So till that time, bye, tata, take care.